Okay, so this is my last example. And this one is another one where they have already calculated the Huntington Hill numbers, trying to make it easy on you again. And we've got electricians, plumbers, and carpenters, and they're in unions, and they are sending members to a 7-member labor council. Use a given table of these numbers to give the apportionment of the council seats, assuming each union starts with 1 representative. So that means the first 3 seats are already assigned. So that means when you come over here, it says, okay, who gets the 4th seat? And then they ask you who gets the 5th seat. And then they ask you who gets the 6th seat. And then they ask you who gets the 7th seat. Because electricians, plumbers, and carpenters each get 1 seat to begin with. So it doesn't matter which one you call first, second, and third. They all get 1. It's that 4th seat. Who's going to get the 4th seat? Which means the 4th seat will actually be the 2nd seat for one of these 3 groups. So just like before, I'm going to start comparing them. And I guess I'll use my highlighter. And I'm going to look at electricians compared to plumbers compared to carpenters. And of those 3 numbers, electricians is the largest. So the 4th seat goes to the electricians. Now remember, you've used this number, so you cannot use it again. So now I move to the 5th seat, and I will compare this number with this number and this number. And of those 3 numbers, the largest is 288. That's blue. That goes to the carpenters. So carpenters union is choice A. And I've used that number up. So now I'm going to see, okay, who gets the 6th seat. So now I'm comparing still this number. It's not been crossed out yet. Still this number hasn't been crossed out. And now this number here is the next number for carpenters. Of those 3 numbers, the 264 is the largest, and that is under the plumbers. So the plumbers is choice C on that one. Cross that out because you can't use it. And now we're down to the last seat, which is actually the 7th. And you'll compare the 130 number with now the 88.2 compared to the 96.0. And of those 3 numbers, the 130 is the largest, which is under the electricians. So the electricians get that seat. That was easy. And I am done with section 10.2. So hopefully I've given you enough examples within my math lab to get you through the homework assignment.